Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the three-dimensional geometry. Here three-dimensional geometry means three measurement are there. 3D. The first year you have already read about what 3D, some introduction about 3D. Still we will discuss. Here are the three axes. OX. This is the OX x direction, x axis. You can also get what x axis in this direction also. X O X dash this one. So this is what y-axis. In this direction you can also get what this what y-axis yz y dash. Here z-axis. In this direction you can also get z dash. So this is what x-axis, this y-axis and this is z-axis. These three are perpendicular. X-axis OX is perpendicular with OY is perpendicular with what OZ. Means mutually perpendicular. They are what mutually perpendicular. OX, OY and OZ are mutually perpendicular. Three axes are there. In the first year we have discussed about what quadrant, octant. There are 8 octant. How will you get what distance formula and many other things. Today we will discuss about direction and direction cosines. Direction and direction cosine means now get here is the origin of 0, 0, 0. Any point along x-axis, what is the direction along x-axis? Only x-axis direction is there. The value x-axis 1 and 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 means along x-axis there is direction, other two axis there is no direction. So this is 1, 0, 0. 1 means the total direction in x-axis, the completely direction in x-axis. 1 means 100% direction. No restriction along x-axis, 100% direction along x-axis. So in y-axis you get in x-axis direction 0, y-axis direction 1 and z-axis the direction 0. Here you put what this type of a bracket you put, not a moon bracket, angle bracket you put, this one angle bracket. The direction represent what this type of bracket. And second one you will get along z-axis, what is the direction? X-axis direction 0, z-axis direction 0 and z-axis direction 1. X-axis, y-axis and z-axis direction is 1. So this is the direction of what? Z-axis. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 are the direction of this one. So any other lines, suppose ସବୁବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ଲାଇନ୍ଟା କ'ଣ ଆମର ଏକ୍ସିସ୍ ପରେ ଥିବ ବୋଲି କ'ଣ ମାନେ ଅଛି କି? ଅଦର ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପଏଣ୍ଟଟା ସପୋଜ ହିୟର ଇଜ ଦ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ପି. ପଏଣ୍ଟ ପି ର ଆର ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି x1 y1 z1. This is the point. Okay. So यार direction, what is the direction in this case here? The direction is direction of OP direction. You subtract final point minus this is the terminal point minus initial point. Here initial point is O and P is the what final point or the terminal point. So x1 minus 0, comma y1 minus 0 and z1 minus 0. This is the DRS or direction. Or x1 minus y1 and z1. You look at here only one direction, two zeros. Here three directions are there. X direction, y direction, z direction. So these are known as what? Direction ratios. Direction ratios. So what are the direction ratios? Here look at the difference between these 2 points is known as what? Direction ratios. Suppose any other 2 points, suppose P is this one P, x1, y1, z1 and Q, other point Q, x2, y2, z2. So PQ, this line. DRS means direction ratio. DRS of PQ. PQ direction ratio can be find out about the difference between the x2 minus x1, y1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. The difference between these 2 points. आपको minus कर देले, then we'll get what? The DRS or the direction ratios. If instead of this you put A, instead of this you put B, instead of this you put C, then DRS equal to ABC. So ABC are the DRS of any straight line. गोटे जेकोसी स्ट्रेट लाइन रो DRS फाइंड आउट कराबो केमती ABC. So ABC for example represent कराबो ABC actually the difference between the 2 point x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 जो कोला पर जोटा आछला ताको हमें simply we are taking what ABC. Okay, these are the direction ratios. Understood or not? How to find the direction ratios? For example, a little look at if 2 points P equal to 1 to 5 and Q equal to 3 to 1, then DRS equal to 3 minus 2 DRS of PQ. PQ DRS and Q ru P minus कराओ 3 minus 1, then 2 minus 2, then 1 minus 5. This is the DRS. This 2, 0 and minus 4. This is the DRS. Okay. So DRS, PQ रो DRS एतिकी and QP रो DRS तार उल्टा आसीबो -2, 0 and 4. And negative positive change. So the DRS. Okay, DRS means the direction ratios. Okay. Now we will find the direction cosines. What do you mean by the direction cosines? So what do you mean by the direction cosines you will get? Suppose PQ is any straight line you will get. PQ is any straight line, P point P. And here is the point Q. X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2. This is what PQ. When you extend this line, ये line टाको PQ line टाको मुझे तो बढ़े देबे, इनके बढ़े देबे. ए कौन करा वो x axis पूरी intersect कला x axis को इधर intersect कला x axis. एटा हो जो x axis, एटा y axis को intersect कला. एटा हो जो z axis को intersect कला. x axis सहित मानकर alpha degree, y axis सहित मानकर एटा हो जो y axis beta degree. And z axis सहित एटा होची गामा डिग्री मेकिंग करा जे कोन से गुटे स्ट्रेट लाइन any straight line PQ when we extend somewhere it intersect to x axis, somewhere it intersect to y axis, and somewhere it also intersect to z axis. The point where the angle of x axis with the line that equal to alpha, the angle of y axis with the line equal to beta, the angle of z axis with the line equal to gamma UC. Okay. So here we look at here cos alpha, cos gamma, cos beta, and cos gamma are DCS. DCS means direction ratios. The direction cosines. Cosine means जो तो ये cos लगी चीज़ तको cosine value को आओ. ए मानो करे एंगल डाउन चिके तो एंगल है 60 डिग्री, एंगल है 60 डिग्री. So ये जो cos alpha वैल्यू है कहते हैं इसको cos 60 डिग्री रेशियो, cos 60 डिग्री वाला 1/2. So ये DRS टा कहते हैं DCS टा होची 1/2 रेशियो. So if beta equal to 30 degree, suppose this is 30 degree, then what happens? Cos 30 equal to √3/2. ए डायरेक्शन रे √3/2 आछो. ए डायरेक्शन रे कोसाइन रे डायरेक्शन कोसाइन होची केते √3/2. एंगल पर डिपेंड करू. Okay. So now get, so what is the direction cosine? Direction cosine रे definition होची the cosine angle of the line with 3 coordinate axes are known as DCS. DCS means direction cosines. Cosine angle जो एंगल टा अछि तार cos वैल्यू टा एंगल टा अल्फा अछि तार cos वैल्यू अछि cos अल्फा. Cosine angle of alpha, cosine angle of beta, cosine angle of what gamma. These three are known as what direction cosine, and simply they are represented by L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, N equal to cos gamma. So here this the relation between, look at this. Now we will discuss the relation between of element. The element रो relation कौन आसी? Element रो relation होची l square plus m square plus n square equal to what? That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to what? Okay, cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square, this equal to what? 1. So now get, suppose here it is, we have to find the sign relation. Well, instead of cos square alpha you put 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square gamma equal to what? Cos square alpha equal to 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus sin square beta. So 1 plus 1 equal to 3 minus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 1. When you take this side and you take that side, that means sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 3 minus 1 2. Suppose you have a proof that sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 2. Apply this formula and prove that. Okay. Now relation of DRS and DCS. Okay. DRS means direction ratios, DCS means direction cosines. So we have to find the relation between the DRS and DCS. So how to find? Okay. Let the DRS equal to ABC. ABC are the DRS and DCS equal to LMN. LMN होची DCS. तार कौन करा हुआ है? आर रिलेशन कौन? L equal to A by A square plus B square plus C square root over, and M equal to B by root over of A square plus B square plus C square, and N equal to C by root over of A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, these are the relation of, if ABC are given, then apply this formula, you find what element. Okay, suppose you look at DRS equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are the DRS. And DCS equal to DCS. How to find DCS? Here this is A, this is B, and this is C. So 2 by 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square root over 3 by root over 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, then again, and 6 by root over 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. This 2 by 7 plus or minus 7, here 3 by plus or minus 7, and 6 by plus or minus 7. Okay, these are the DCS. If DRS is given, then you find what DCS by using this formula. Okay. So now we will discuss the application of DRS and DCS. So what are the application of DRS and DCS? Now we will discuss one by one. Application of DRS and DCS. suppose two lines you look at it, this is one of the line ABC whose DRS are ABC, A1 B1 C1, A1 B1 C1. This is the DRS of the first straight line. This is the DRS of the second straight line. DRS of second straight line. A2 B2 C2. A2 B2 C2 are the DRS of the second straight line. Okay. Then we have to find the angle between them. Angle theta equal. Angle theta, how to find the DRS of the first straight line A1 B1 C1 and second straight line A2 B2 C2. Then angle theta equal to cos theta. You find what cos theta equal to? Cos theta equal to what? Here A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square root over into this one into dot A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, this what cos theta value. Then theta can be calculated by using theta equal to cos inverse. Is this one. Okay, so this is what angle between the two straight line by application of what? By application of DRS. Here A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2 are the two given DRS. दिया जाए तो अलग. Suppose here it is, you look at find angle between two straight line joining points 125 32 minus 1 and 467 2 minus 5 minus 3. So look at here what is given. This is a formula you look at. A straight line joining the two points. दीटा पॉइंट को जॉइन करते हैं फर्स्ट स्ट्रेट लाइन ला 1 2 5 and 3 2 minus 1. This second straight line, here is the second straight line joining between the point 4 6 7 and 2 minus 5 minus 3. Okay. Suppose it is A नहीं जो है A point नहीं जो है B नहीं जो है C नंबर है D नंबर A B C D आदि 4 points given. अरे अबे कौन करेगा DRS फाइंड आउट करा है वो AB रो DRS होना है वो CD रो DRS होना है. DRS of AB equal to let's say A1 B1 C1 केमती फाइंड आउट करा है वो AB रो DRS होना है वो B रो A माइनस करा है 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5. This is the DRS of what AB? Okay, that equal to 2 0 minus 6 2 0 minus. These are the DRS of AB, that is A1 B1 C1 consider. Okay, so now next one, DRS of CD. Let's say A2 B2 C2 DRS. D रो C को माइनस कर दो, that equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 3 minus 7. This is the DRS. This equal to what? Minus 2. This minus 11. This minus 10. Okay. So came this and this A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 came. Then we apply this formula. A formula apply करा वो amend. देखिए कि इनके एंगल घड़ी हुई टू स्ट्रेट. So now A1 cos theta equal to आगे फाइंड आउट करें A1 A2 A1 केते होची इटी A1 B1 C1 A2 into A2 टा होची -2 प्लस 0 into R केते -11 प्लस -6 into -10 whole by root over a1 square, b1 square, c1 square. These are a1, b1, c1. 2 square plus 0 square plus minus 6 square. Here also you find what minus 2 square, minus 11 square, minus 10 square. So this is what? This minus 4, this 0, this plus 60. This what? 36 for root 40. Here it is what? 121. This is 100. This 4. 225. 225. Okay. So now we get here. It is 56 by root 40 equal to 2 root 10. Root 225 equal to 50. Okay. 48 by, then we'll get what? 28. Here it is 28 by 15 root 10. So theta equal to cos inverse 28 by 15 root 10. You keep it. This is the angle between the two straight line. Okay. Two straight line ro angle find out kariya pe eta hoche tar formula. We apply this and find it. Okay. So special cases. Some cases you will get. If L1 and L2 are two straight line having DRS A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2, then for 1 L1 parallel to L2 जब इरा स्ट्रेट लाइन पैरेलल होची L1 L2 पैरेलल होची that implies कौन आसबो A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 equal to a constant value will get आको को डिवाइड कर ले आको को डिवाइड कर ले आको को डिवाइड कर ले यदि इक्वल वैल्यू आसी then you will get what the parallel lines two parallel lines second if L1 perpendicular to L2 two straight line are perpendicular then what happens you will get A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So what happens here if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equal to 0 आसुची then दीटा straight line कौन आसबो perpendicular आसबो. Third one, if either A1 equal to A2, B1 equal to B2, C1 equal to C2, or A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then two straight lines are, ST line means two straight lines are collinear. Two straight lines are collinear means गोटे रेखा रे रहिबे स्ट्रेट लाइन गुडा को देन दे आर नोन एज कोलिनियर. यदि कोलिनियर प्रूफ करिया पे कोलिनियर माने अर्थ होची गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन रे रहिबे को कंडीशन रे आर डीआरएस तार डीआरएस जदी इक्वल रहिला और A1 by A2 B1 by B2 C1 by C2 जदी रहिला ए दीटर कोड कंडीशन जदी सैटिस्फाई होची देन वी से दी टू स्ट्रेट लाइन आर कोलिनियर. ओके एंगल फाइंड आउट कराबो आ ए गुडा होची तार प्रॉपर्टीज कर DRS. Now we come to DCS. What is the using of DCS in this case? You now if L1 if L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2 are DCS of two straight line two straight line, then for L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0 if L1 perpendicular to L2. If L1 parallel to L2, then L1 by L2 equal to M1 by M2 equal to N1 by N2. Consider these are the what straight line. L1 and L2 are the two straight lines. Here L1 and L2 small letter are, these are the what DCS values. L1 L2 these are the capital letter, these are the straight line. Okay. So DCS DRS सेम ये फॉर्मेट रे यूज आसीबो हला देखिबा गोटे दिरा प्रॉब्लम करूची DRS एंड DCS केमती कोन करा हेबो नाउ वेट अब किसी स्पेशल केस अछि DRS of XY plane रो DRS होची स्पेशल केस रिमेंबर दिस वन XY रे XY होची Z नै Z टा होची कोनटा एडी 0 0 1 जोडे नै सेटा 1 है सो DRS of YZ plane YZ रे कोडे नै X नै 1 0 0 DRS of ZX plane. So what is the DRS of ZX plane? Here y is not there, so it is 0 1 0. This is the special case, the DRS of this special. Okay. So here is the entrance question for you. Find the DRS and the DCS. DRS and DCS of a line that equally inclined with 3 axes. So now get how to find here in this problem. There is the entrance problem also. Find the DRS and the DCS of a line that equally inclined with 3 axes. Equally inclined अर्थ होची तीनटा जगह एंगल जोटा कि x एक्सिस सहित y एक्सिस सहित z एक्सिस सहित जोटा अल्फा बीटा गामा तीनटा जो एंगल को आई दिला तीनटा जगह एंगल इक्वल सॉल्यूशन here 3 angles alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. 3 angles are equal. That implies cos alpha equal to cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. 3 angles are equal. That implies now you find cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. You know this is n square plus n square plus n square equal to 1 हमें दे देखे दिले. So instead of beta and gamma you put what alpha. So cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. Then 3 cos square alpha equal to 1. Then cos square alpha equal to 1 by 3. Then cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3 plus or minus. Solve it here. The cos alpha equal to this means cos beta and cos gamma also this equal to L. Therefore L equal to M equal to LMNR. L M N. These are the DCS are equal to what? So DRS only you DCS you find. DCS. Okay. 11 equal to what? These are the 11. 1 by root 3 plus or minus and 1 by root 3 plus or minus also. This is plus or minus 1 by root 3. These are 11 value. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. Equally inclined. Okay, 3 axes. Understood or not? Later we will discuss more about more problems related to DRS and DCS. Okay, so today we will stop.